Hello, people. Welcome back to Meals and Media. It's so nice to have you back on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please find time to do so today. So today I bring you a very wonderful puff pastry. It's a delectable one and you would love it. And it's easy to make. Let's go right into it. So we're going to be using 3 egg yolks, separated of course, as you see here, and we will be making use of 2 tablespoons of sugar, granulated sugar that is. This is a gentle reminder for those who haven't subscribed to Meals and Media. Please do so. It costs you nothing really, and it encourages us to keep up the good job. So we have 3 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of flour, and 150 ml of milk. We're going to boil this on the low heat for a while and then pour into the egg mixture we made earlier. So we're going to boil again on the low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until we have this kind of consistency. This is called custard, which we'll be making use of later. We're going to be pouring this into a bowl and we would let it cool for a while, cover it up. I put mine in the refrigerator, but you could just put yours on a cabinet or shelf while you make the dough. Okay, let's take a breather here. I want to ask you, have you subscribed? No, you haven't. Go right now and click on that subscribe button. Thank you for doing so. So we're going to be using 3/4 cup of milk, 4 grams of yeast, 1 egg, and of course we will whisk everything together till we have a very consistent mixture. Remember to use warm milk if you would need your dough to rise quickly. Then we'll be adding the dry ingredients. We have flour here as well as sugar and also some vanilla sugar powder, by the way, if you don't have vanilla essence. So I made use of 4 grams of yeast, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 3/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder. We mix everything together. Make sure to knead till you have a very smooth consistency. This is very important when it comes to yeast dough, okay? Yes. So there it is. You see that everything is well formed. And I just transferred into a cleaner bowl and I'm going to be covering it for a while so that it can rest a bit. This should take about maximum of 1 hour or thereabouts. Yes. Alrighty, here we are. We're back after 1 hour and the dough is well risen. So here we are. I'm going to punch out the hair in the dough and I'm going to knead once more and have it in a bowl, which I'm going to divide into 2. While you do this, I want to encourage you to please smash the like button as well as the subscribe button if you haven't done so. Thank you. You can also check out this Meals and Media on Instagram. We have the handle as Meals and Media _MOM, mom. Alright, so I'm on Instagram as well as on Facebook. You can also check out our Facebook page. Remember to share with friends and family as well. So here I am. I'm trying to you cut out the round circles as you see here, and we will be dividing the dough. So I will divide the dough into 8 equal parts, as you can see here. And then I bring in the custard, which we're going to be placing on each section of the dough. Notice that I'm putting some indentation in the dough so that it sits better. And next, we're going to be placing each piece of the leftover sectors that were cut earlier on top of the one that we just prepared, and we will try to crimp them at the edges so that they stay together. After you've done this, the trick is to let it rest for quite a while. If you do it pretty well, they will merge together by the time they rise, the dough rises. So you crimp them at the edges. Of course, I put them first, and then I got back again and tried to press on the edges, and then I left it for a while to rise. Thereafter, we're going to be doing the deep frying. Make sure that your oil is warm or is hot enough, not too hot, or you have them all burnt. So just the right temperature. Yes, perfect. There you are. Nice and dandy. Really good looking. Something fresh, something new to serve in your home and parties or what have you. Have a try at it and let me know what you think. Put them in the comment section. Till I see you again. Bye.